The magical underwater adventure. In a quiet coastal town, a curious girl named Lily loved to explore the beach. One day, she found a mysterious seashell that whispered to her, "Dive into the ocean, and you'll meet the wondrous fish of the sea." Lily put on her magical diving suit and jumped into the water. She saw clownfish with bright orange and white stripes. "We love to play hide and seek in the sea anemones," said Clownfish. Further along, Lily met blue Tang with dazzling blue and yellow colors. "We are very friendly and love to swim in schools," said blue Tang. Smiling, Lily swam deeper and saw a majestic seahorse. "We are unique because the males carry the babies," Seahorse explained proudly. In the coral reef, Lily met Parrotfish, colorful and busy eating algae off the coral. "We help keep the reef clean," said Parrotfish. Next, Lily saw a gentle whale shark. "Even though we are big, we only eat small plankton," said Whale Shark, gracefully gliding by. Lily was fascinated when she met Jellyfish, glowing softly in the deep blue. "We move with the current and light up the ocean," said Jellyfish. Before heading back, Lily met a playful dolphin. "We love to jump and play. We are very smart and friendly," Dolphin chirped. Lily returned to the shore, excited to share her adventure. She learned that every sea creature is special and important for the ocean. From that day, Lily became the protector of the sea, teaching everyone about the amazing fish and how to care for the ocean.